Welcome guys, this is Srikanth here. In this video I am going to create a container in a circle shape using Flutter. Okay, so while coding this I will be going through the Flutter documentation and making up decisions then and there to determine what needs to be done. So even though this example is simple, it might help you to go through the documentation and figure out things yourself in the future. Okay, so without any further delay I'm going to create a sample project. Okay, so the project is getting created. Okay, so the project is ready now. So what I will be doing is I will be going to main.dot file. It is already opened for me. Okay, so I'm going to remove all this code and I will be coding it from the scratch. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to basically create a container first of all. Okay, so the usual container looks in a rectangle shape. Okay, so we are going to shape that as a circle. So let me start the coding. So before that what I'll be doing is I will be moving this to this corner and opening, and will open the emulator. Okay, so that I can execute the code then and there and find out how the program is working. Okay, I'm just closing it. This is my previous example, so now it's fine. So I'm going to start the coding now. First of all what I'll be doing is I'll be creating a stateless widget. Okay, so when I type st in Visual Studio Code, it will show me some suggestions. Okay, so I'll be creating a stateless widget because I'm not going to play anything with the state now. Okay, so and then my app. Okay, so wherever the red squiggly line is being appeared, I'm going to just point the cursor over there, press Ctrl and dot, which it will give me suggestions. So I know that material dot needs to be imported. So all the squiggly lines are gone. So okay, next thing is I need something to run this, like I need a main to start this program. Main is always the starting point of the program. So okay, so let's not do this, do it this way, void main of, okay, run app. This is how we run the app. Okay, so basically if I run this program now, what will happen is it will create a container. So in order to determine this container, let me do one thing. Maybe I can give some sort of color so that you will understand what area it is being occupied. Okay, so before that itself, let me run this program and see what is going to be shown in the screen. Okay, so it will take a moment. When you initially run, based on your computer configuration, the fast might change. Okay, if you are having good computer, it's going to be really fast. If it's not that good, but still it will work, I guess. Okay, so basically what I think is going to appear is some sort of black screen, just a black screen, nothing will appear, I think. Okay, because it's just contain a container. Okay, no color is determined or no text is determined. Okay, so as part of next step, what we will do is okay, so you can see it's just a white screen. So now what I will do is okay, so it's not a white screen, it's a black screen, so nothing is appearing here. So what I will do next is I will give a child to the container. Like I will say hello. Okay, okay, so it will not run when you add a text like this, because this is not being run in a material widget, so I have to specify some directionality. Okay, so you can see the text is now appearing here. So I want to move this to the center. For example, what I will do is I will just click here, wrap in center. Okay, I'm not trying to figure out where I need to start, like where I just right click here, not right click here, just right click on this bulb. Okay, basically the bulb means it's going to give some suggestions, so I'm just click center. Okay, so now our target is to make this container look like a circle, right? So basically what we need to do is we have to like, if you give a color, it will make us more visible on what we are doing. Okay, color red. Okay, so I just gave a red color. So because the text is there, only just the text part is having this color. Okay, if I remove this, if I comment this line, the whole page is occupied with the color. Okay, that's how basically container works. So let's see what will happen if I give a margin or padding. Okay, so like, because like, okay, let me remove this text. Okay, and then save it. Now let me shrink this container so that you will be actually able to see some sort of box. In order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to specify some margin. Okay, edge, all inserts of all. Okay, so you can see now it has become some sort of rectangle. Okay, so before figuring out how to make this as a circle, okay, so what we need to do is you have to head to Flutter documentation. Okay, so okay, and then open so this is the Flutter documentation website, and just go here, type container. Okay, so some of the things are populated, so just go with layouts in Flutter, or if there is any other direct link. Okay, this doesn't make any sense. So what I'll be going is I'll be going to widget index and trying to find container. Okay, so here is the container, so I'll just go here. So basically, like, I will be going to the documentation and trying to find out what property can help us to create a container as a circle. Okay, so not element, not child, constraints, decoration box. Okay, so if there is something like shape, so there is nothing like shape. So but so here basically what we are doing is we are decorating a container as a circle. So let me check with decoration. Okay, so there is no much information about it. Let me check this shape decoration. Okay, so there is some colors, white border, all. Okay, so it looks like there is no direct information. Okay, let me click here. Okay, so okay, we are now in decoration class, and then it says a description of a box decoration. Okay, so if I go into decoration, I'm checking whether we have some sort of property which helps us to decorate. Okay, so decorate, so we have to see the box decoration also. Okay, if you see, we can decoration, and we can pass box decoration to decoration. Okay, and then if you scroll down, so box decoration has got something called shape. Okay, so what we can do is, for decoration we can pass box decoration. Okay, and then if you define a shape, okay, let's see what shapes are available. Okay, circle, rectangle. Okay, there are a number of, so basically this is what we have to do. So what I'll be doing is, so I'm going to decorate this. Okay, so how I'm going to decorate this, you can just check this example over here. Okay, so many examples are there. So I'm going to give decoration colon box decoration of, so box. Okay, so and I'm going to run this. So nothing has happened so far. So I'm just going here and pressing control dot again. Okay, no suggestions are there, that's fine. Okay, so since we know that from this example we know that we have to pass shape, so shape. Okay, shape. So and then it accepts box shape, right? Box shape dot circle. So let's save this and see what happens. Okay, so looks like there is an error. What it says is color equal to null. Okay, decoration equal to color and decoration. So I think what it is saying is you cannot provide a color here. Okay, so let's comment this. So now something has happened because the color is not there. It has went all black. So let's see the box decoration example here. So basically they are giving some color over here. So box decoration also accepts color. Okay, so let's try that. So that's it. So we have now created a container that appears as a circle. Okay, hope this example is useful to you guys. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much. So before that, before ending this call, let me stop it once again and just rerun it again to see if everything is working as expected. Yep, everything is fine. Thank you so much guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.